Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Blinkings. Welcome to our creative space. In today's video, we will show you how to transform waste glass bottle into stunning pieces of art. Whether you are looking for home decor inspiration or fun recycling projects, these three bottles painting ideas are sure to impress. Let's dive right in. First up is the abstract color splash bottle where we are going to bold colors and free flowing patterns. Start by cleaning your glass bottle and then apply a white primer as the base. Once dry, take bright acrylic paints and randomly splash them across the surface. Use a sponge or brush to blend the color slightly creating a vibrant dynamic effect. It's a perfect piece for adding a pop of color to any room. Now, next let's move on to something a bit more refined. The elegant S color lace design. Start by wrapping lace fabric around the bottle, securing it tightly. New Now gently spray bottle paint over the lace and once it dry, carefully remove the fabric to reveal a stunning glass-like pattern on your bottle. The delicate design worked great as a vase or even as a statement piece for a table counterpart or centerpiece. For our final idea, we will tap into nature with a botanical themed design. Begin by painting the entire bottle with a soft pastel background. Then using thin brushes and green acrylic paint, create delicate leaves, branches or even floral design around the bottle. You can add details like tiny flowers or birds to give it a more intricate look. This is a beautiful way to bring a bit of nature into your home, perfect for windowsill or garden. And there you have it, three amazing glass bottle painting ideas that are not only beautiful but also eco-friendly. Reusing waste bottle for decoration is a critical or creative and sustainable way to personalize your home. Which idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below and don't forget to subscribe.